Well, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to connect MySQL database to Power BI. And during the connection, you may get different kind of errors like that and like that, okay, and like that, okay. So we will connect in a way that we don't occur these errors, okay. So for this you have to go on the your MySQL workbench and you need to run these all queries, okay. Here you have to enter your username. Now where you will find your username, where you will find your username, just click on this home button, okay, and here you will get this will be the your username, okay. So note down your username from here, okay. Now the next is your host name, okay. Now where you will get your host name. So for this click on server, click on server status, and here you will get the host name, okay. So note down it, okay, and write here your host name. Then here you need to write your password of MySQL workbench, okay. So you need to enter your password you set you set it up while downloading the MySQL workbench, okay. Okay, so enter that password, then again here your username and then your host name, okay, and then run these queries one by one, okay. Now after running these all queries, go to the Power BI, click on get data, click on more, then click on database, then here choose MySQL database, okay, and connect, okay. Now here you need to enter your host name, and here you need to enter the name of database to which you want to connect. After entering the details, you just need to click on the button OK. So after that you may occur this error, okay. This connector requires one or more additional components to be installed before it can be used. So you just need to simply click on learn more, and you will redirected a website from where you can download this additional component. So just when you redirect it to that website, okay, just scroll down and you will get the download link. So simply download that component, okay, and then come to the Power BI and then enter again your server name, okay. The server name will be your host name here, okay. So remember this, and the database to which you want to connect, just enter the name of database. Now you will get all the tables here which is in your database, and you simply can load them, and you can also go to transform the data. So here in this way you can connect your MySQL server database to Power BI. If you liked this video, then click on like button and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.